Hello everybody, welcome back to KWT's Microsoft Outlook Basics course. Today we're going to look at some of the basics behind multiple accounts and multiple profiles. We won't go into this in any great detail, that's much more of an advanced course, but I do want to give you an overview of some of the things that you can do that might help you with organizing your Outlook. Within an Exchange server environment, setup is very easy. It is handled by the Exchange in the back end. Literally all you should have to do is enter in your email address and everything will be set up. On a personal device, you are probably going to have to set up POP or IMAP connections. Your email service provider should be able to give you the configuration setup details for these two types, or you can Google them and find them on a website. You will often have to go to your personal email account via webmail to grant permissions for third-party apps to access your email. If you don't do this, then as you're trying to set up your email on your Outlook client, it will continue to fail even when you're entering in the correct email address and password. So that's just something to keep in mind. That's a one-off thing you will have to do if you're setting up a personal email on Outlook. Multiple email addresses can be set up within Outlook so that both mailboxes will appear in the folder pane. This is often done in a corporate environment where you not only have your own personal email address for work, but you also have shared department email addresses. For example, there might be an IT service desk email or an accounts payable email that multiple people monitor. So you would have your own email address set up along with any shared email addresses that you help with monitoring. On a personal setup, you may have multiple personal email addresses that you want to see all in one spot. And again, you can certainly do that within the email accounts options. Multiple profiles is a little bit different than multiple accounts. It keeps the accounts completely separate so that you can only open one of them at a time within Outlook. You set this up outside of Outlook, and when you do this, when you start up Outlook, it will ask you which profile you want to use today. This can often be used in a corporate environment for troubleshooting. Your IT folks may do this to see if your Outlook profile is corrupt. Or if there's something else that's causing an issue for you within Outlook. Or in cases where you want to keep a complete separation between two email accounts. For example, I have a training Outlook email account profile set up so that I can keep it separate from my personal Outlook profile. So I use my training profile when I'm doing demonstrations for this course. So there you have it. That's just a little bit about accounts and profiles. There's certainly a lot more to them on the back end, but we'll not be getting into that in this course. So we'll see you in the next module. And that concludes this module.